check it out. Okay, we are near the cupboard and we will open it and see. I have just arranged my basic things, but here also given a safe in open position so that I can arrange my own number combination as a lock. So let me just try 2, 5, 8, 9 and then press this. So it should be from 4 to 9 digits. So it is closed. Did you observe this popping out? Okay, let me again give so that it will go inside. So 2, 5, 8, 9 and then pressing the same. Okay, so which means this is in open position. And okay, so let me close this. So I have set 2, 5, 8, 9 as the lock. So when I press this, yeah, so it is closed and it is showing me that lock 2, 5, 8, 9. So now we know how to set the lock. What if I give a wrong one? I have forgot one. Oh god. Now again an error. So then I checked with the security and he told just do this. So yeah, it is okay to know that I can open if I forget, but it should not be like this, right? That everyone can able to open if they know the default code. So yeah, be careful when you are using to keep your valuable things inside it. Okay, and we'll try how it will be working when I do. Let me set 1, 2, 4, 5. When I do a wrong one. So I have set 1, 2, 4, 5. But I will give 3 times the wrong one. So actually what happens is the third time it will be making so much of noise and I was afraid of it. And then I got to know. Let me also show you that. So this is correct, sorry. Wait. Okay. So now let me try that. Okay. And now trying for the second time. I'm trying for the last time. See, it happens like that. So yeah, that's why I did not show you before. So just be careful before using the. So before you keep your valuable things in the room safe, double check whether it is really safe. And if you have any concerns with the safety, you can always cross check with the hotel staff.